think you can out-talk me? Think again. You gotta look pretty like me. You gotta be smooth like me. You gotta be the greatest of all times like me. Welcome to my world. Talking trash. That's what I do for a living. I get paid for this. You think you can out-talk me? You know what to do. Come on YouTube. Xbox Live is where I'll be at. I can beat anybody. Any time of the week. You know what? I'll beat you, and then I'm gonna take your girlfriend and show you how it's done on Talk Trash Olympics. Cause I'm the greatest of all time. I'm the one that started it all, y'all. I'm the #1 player from the Himalayas. Holla if you hear me.